Hello guys. Now, watu wa Kanairo, do you know your constituencies? Yeah? Kuna watu mmekaa hii Kanairo and you don't know your constituencies. Yeah? Today I want us to learn the number of constituencies in Nairobi. First of all, we have 17 constituencies in Nairobi. And this came about after the 2010 constitution because larger constituencies, for example, in Embakasi, were subdivided into smaller constituencies because of the population. Now, number one, we have Dagoretti North constituency. So we have Dagoretti North constituency and Dagoretti South. Then we have Embakasi, which has five constituencies. So Embakasi Central, Embakasi East, Embakasi North, Embakasi South, Embakasi West. And then we have Kamkunji, Kasarani, Kibra, Lang'ata, Makadara, Mathare, Roysambu, Ruaraka, Starehe, not forgetting Westland constituency. So those are the 17 constituencies in Nairobi, represented by 17 members of parliament. Thank you.